digital lock, and you have a very small space for keeping the cooking top. For vessels you have the tap here. Let's see the flow of the water. It's good enough. Then you have for dustbins and all. Okay, what is here? Space. Just here, drawers. Drawer 1, drawer 2, and the third drawer. And we have some place here also. No place here to keep anything. So just the 3 drawers, and you have this much of space to put your storage. Okay, then you have the refrigerator, which is of sharp ring. Small, you have the freezer. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
All right. Okay. So he showed me there are 2 washers over here. One is for washing clothes, one is a dryer. Then you put your clothes outside for drying. And you also have the refrigerator, which is good enough for 1 person. Okay. Then you have, did you see this? Yeah. And then we also have the AC here on the top. We have this dining table with 2 chairs, and there is a mattress on the floor, but it's not on the bed. There is no low bed, so it's like a double bed mattress, but no bed, just the mattress. Okay, and we have the lights. 1 2 3 4 5 6 lights. So all the lights, they shut together or one by one? Ah, okay, good. One by one. And then we have the bathroom here. So there is a pot over here. Let's check the flush. Is it okay? The flow is good. Then we have a rack, shower head, tap. We have this also, wash basin with a faucet. Let's check the pressure of water. Okay, pressure water is good. We have 1 mirror, and here you have a hook here to hook something. Okay, and so this is the studio apartment that we have seen. And there's one more thing. There is a room which is getting repaired. It's a kind of a balcony, but he said he's going to convert this balcony into a room very soon. So I guess some work is going on for this room to be prepared. And you also have a rack kind of a thing. Call it as a bookshelf or a rack. And if you see, this is halfway through. It's not done fully, and then there is a window over that side. And you can see the outside. Over here there are buildings. So there are buildings here on the outside. And this is the space. So they can actually make it into a bedroom, which they are trying to do so. So this is right now used up as a balcony, but will be converted into a bedroom soon. Okay, so